Hello and welcome to TechVerd. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover a suspended Google Play Console account. Step 1. Visit your assigned email and search for the word Play Console. It will show you all messages sent by Google Play Console. We will then review the issues and solve them one by one. Step 2. Tackle each issue strategically. Google Play often suspends apps for violation, such as impersonation, using copyrighted images for logos, cloning other apps, deceptive behavior, and many more. Most of these issues are not easy to resolve, but if you are using copyrighted material, then reach out to the owner to use an official email to write to Google Play on your behalf. Or you could get a permit from them and use the advance notice form to send a plea to Google Play Store concerning that particular app. Step 3. Fix all issues. To make sure your account is in good standing, you need to fix all issues concerning individual apps. Google Play terminates accounts that have 10 or more suspended apps. So fixing the suspensions for each app could help you reinstate your account. It will take time, but it is worth it because suspension on one account spans across all other accounts, and you might not be able to create a new console account after you have fixed all issues on individual apps. It is time to reappeal to Google to reinstate your account. After Google thoroughly checks and notices that you have no policy issues, they will reinstate your account and automatically open all new accounts that you created and were suspended.